Edusoft Robotix. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to Edusoft Robotix. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create the Indian flag using Magic Board. The Indian flag is a beautiful symbol with 3 colorful stripes, saffron at the top for bravery, white in the middle for peace, and green at the bottom for our rich land. Right in the center of the white stripe is a blue wheel called the Ashoka Chakra, which reminds us to always be good and keep moving forward. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Magic Board coding app and connect the Magic Board using a Type-C cable. Step 2. From the Events panel, grab the Setup and Loop block onto the Programming area. Step 3. Go to the Control tab in the Block panel, select the block shown here and put it inside the Loop block. Repeat this process 5 times to create one layer of flag. Step 4. Set the LED numbers to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 13 and change their colors to saffron. Step 5. Now, from the Control tab, select a delay block and add it to the code. Step 6. Repeat steps 3, 4 and 5 for the white and green colored strips. Step 7. Click on Play button to see the Magic Board in action.